Check out this new fresh arrival 2024 Honda Pilot TrailSport. This is one of the top of the line models with the new body style here. It's got the awesome wheels. It's got roof rails up there. This one's got a tow package. Check it out, leather interior. Lots of cool stuff. The TrailSport model is a very desirable trim level. It's got special stitching on the inside as far as the seats go. This is a Honda certified car, so it goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Fluids, filters, brakes, tires, you name it. We check it. We make sure it's up to specifications for Honda. Then it gets backed with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty from Honda, good at any Honda dealer. 2 sets of keys, books. This actually will go through a professional detail. Make sure everything is looking good. There's the seat in the back is folded down. You can fold those down and it'll be flat. Got the nice big panoramic moonroof. Special stitching on the seats. This particular car only has 25,677 miles on it. Nice infotainment system. Wireless phone charger down there. 2 sets of keys, push button automatic transmission, you name it, this one has it. Come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth. We don't get too many of these, and when we do, they go pretty quick. So give us a call. Come see us. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Thank you.